Hello everyone, today we're making samosas, vegetarian samosa. So we got 400 gram flours, 3 chopped potatoes, 1 onions, chopped onions, coriander, ginger garlic paste, and some ajwan, jeera, cumin seed, turmeric, salt, garam masala, and some peas.
Hello everyone. Right, today we're making samosas. To start off, we've got some oil in the pan just getting hot there. To that we're going to add some jeera. And some onions. Okay, now it's time to add some salt and ginger and chili that we've blended earlier. About thumb size of ginger and about 4 chilies. Okay, just going to add a little bit of turmeric, haldi, Okay, that's nicely cooked in now. We're going to add some frozen peas. Okay, it's now time to add the potatoes. I'm going to give this a good mix and then literally just put the cover on and just occasionally stirring. Leave it for about 15 minutes and just keep checking until the potatoes are done. Okay folks, that's the potato filling ready now. Just going to add some garam masala. And some coriander, so that bit extra flavour. I just need to give that a good mix. Just be careful when you're mixing because you don't want to end up with mashed potatoes. Okay, that's the potatoes ready now. Obviously the filling for the samosas. Can't do anything now until it cools down, so we'll be back.
Hello everyone, today we're making samosa. We got some plain flour, about 300 gram, some water, salt, oil, and some ajwain. Let's start. We're adding salt, about 1 teaspoon, a little bit of ajwain, and some oil, about 4 to 5 teaspoons.
Okay folks, that's the dough ready. We'll let it sit for 15 minutes and then we'll make some samosas. Okay, now I'm just going to roll out some the dough to make the samosas. We prepared some earlier, and this is just to show you how it's done. There we go. It's as easy as that. Check the oil just by dropping a little piece of dough in, and as you can see the oil's at temperature. You just put it on for about medium to high, and if it starts flowing around like that, then you know the temperature is right. Don't want it too hot, okay? And then just layer them in. Don't want to overcrowd the pan, so about a 4 is okay. And then just cook them until they're golden brown.
Right, samosas are ready now. They're cooked. It's nice and golden brown now. Okay.
Okay folks, that's our vegetable samosa now complete. We're going to have ours with tomato sauce. You can have yours with pretty much anything you like. If you like our recipe, please give it a go. Give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe. Please feel free to leave any comments. If there's anything you want making, please let us know, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.